what's up? Still Renee's Mr. Nation. Hello to my players. Welcome to the Nayful Podcast, Players Edition. We are coming at you live at the block, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use this podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. I'm trying to spit party. But the landlord, the boss, goes by the name Tobane from Indaba. Yes. If you see these things, these magics that are happening here, boss ukona namhlanje. Ude ikho lento niyenzayo nifuna uguide na coach.
Hey, imagine.
And then on my right, I have Mr. Ducks in a row. Mr. Entertainment.
There, man.
We have Ukit Gesi Radio. Oh. We are here with Smash Mateza. Hey, we are here with Smash Masheta, Mr. Entertainment, Mr. Eastern Cape, all the way from Ngara, Nibane,
not a hall.
We have Mr.
So
Entertainment.
Not a hall.
No, I'm doing not a hall.
Oh, not a hall. What? I want to tell.
We also have put at the chance.
Yeah.
It's no gala.
Yeah.
Klamachana. Ngasana man.
Yeah.
Gala pa.
Yeah.
Obuhle baby si umamthile. Akana stuko because akasinqanywa isituko. All the way from NU7, all the way from Mtenzan FM, former Kids Ngesi radio presenter, former Kasi Conversations, handler, currently
Social media manager.
Currently Umdu Kaspakes.
Oh.
The ex Ka Amahle. Baby, you can see who is in the building.
Yeah.
Ndiyayibona Mr. Johnny yalapha. Ndim lo now introducer nge
Utsalwayo.
I am being reduced to my exes.
The thing is Utobani akanansiki ubra chatile.
And I don't have access.
Yava. Yeah? Umnathi kaloku
Mr. Johnny.
Bro, I'm grand.
I'm good, man. How's it?
It's been a long time, man. I'm good as well.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. August Valer, but we are not there. What man, grand?
All is good.
How does it feel?
Now we're not
Mbugo twin.
complaining. It's empty.
32 days. Okay, sure.
No, it's empty. It's empty. It's not a matter of it's half full or it's empty.
It's coming.
It's empty. Nothing is coming.
Okay. Obi, grand?
Yeah, I'm good. Good. But I'm good. Yeah.
What was highlight of the week for Wena?
Highlight of the week. I don't know. I don't think there's anything that I can say was out of the ordinary.
Youth Day Bimnandi Simon.
Yeah, no, it was good.
We
It
like
was quite
once, Jack. What I would say, it's nothing ordinary.
Yo, Pumela Weli, Anna Sabawela more funding was 7.
The highlight of the week,
Done.
Like once more.
Yo.
America.
Yo, actually, yeah, it was besides even that. I think Enyinda was in awe, man, of I think it was the first time Dingena at the Dome Pagat.
It's beautiful.
And the production, let alone the beauty, the production level.
Yeah.
Man, like, yeah, and it was not even a Sunday service, but it was there, I can say limited crew, but the level of, the screens, the cameras that they use.
The sound.
Exactly. So more than even enjoying the experience of being there to worship and everything.
You were kicking.
What? I'm seeing it, the telelights on cameras. Lona plays out chinchala camera. Already upon the telelights, it goes green and then changes. Like everything behind, I was like, wow. And to think of the fact that that's a church,
Yeah.
and the level of excellence is up there. And again, Tandile multimedia. Yeah, I think that was quite an experience. I actually met Landuk. Oh, this photographer, East London. He was here, man, as a guest recently. Last photographer.
Oh,
Fred
Vandal.
Vandal, yes. I was
Kwanzaa
actually met
pha.
him. Yeah.
Usophala kangibona.
Yeah, chungu boy. Otherwise, yeah, man, I think, I can say that was actually the highlight. I think the end of yeah, it was quite nice.
Highlight of the week.
I've got a couple. Hey, I've got a couple, man.
The highlights is
my highlight of the week.
Father's Day.
Yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns, man, winning their first match on the
Ikram
FIFA.
Reyners.
On the
Who got 3
FIFA.
goals? Ikram.
Yeah, bo?
2 were offside, but it's fine.
Bye,
Yeah,
Kamala Ken.
Ikram Reyners.
Yes.
You know, Liverpool. Yo, sorry.
Colored.
Yo. Ikram.
Yeah.
Ikram Reyners.
Yeah.
Got a new way.
I'm a
Ikram.
Oh, you didn't have to say it.
yeah.
Yeah, no.
So that was my high, man. Mamelodi Sundowns representing us to the rest of the world, and they made us proud.
Do you think they're gonna go
Won their first game. Of which,
to-
in America.
to-
In America.
Oh,
There's a
serious?
Club World
Of
Cup
which-
that's happening in
Of
America.
which
Yo.
they did. Sundowns did what Inter Miami couldn't do. What Messi couldn't do, they did it. They won their first game.
Bafana Baka Patrice.
Wabo? They won. Yesterday, that was yesterday. They won. They won there.
No,
They won.
it was today.
Yeah.
It
It was yesterday.
one. I'm
No, Kalok, it was yesterday.
America.
But China, yabo.
Oh,
It
because
was yesterday.
they've got 12. We got weather delay. Those and ndalala. Kwamphinde ndibuye ukuthi uzadlala ngapast 1. Ndalinda ndayibukela
So that was yesterday.
kubo. But ibidlala namhlanje ukuthi. But okay.
That was yesterday. So yeah, they won. 1-0, man. So that
Top
was
of
that was
Group F.
so that was one of the highlights. And then
Personal.
another one. I'm not a Sundowns fan. I'm
Of course.
just a proud South African. The league
No
was
DNA.
was a natural. Was a natural.
Ndaphuma
And then
apho.
another highlight, which was pretty much shocking. Kendrick Lamar performing in Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you going and poke the sixth god.
Bow, bow, boom, bow,
Yeah.
big
Man.
bang, bang.
It will never end.
So nah, man, it's over that thing.
It's over.
It's over, bruh. You
Over
see,
for who?
it's over for both.
In terms of what?
It's over.
It
It's
reached
over.
peak. There's nothing else.
There is nothing new that is gonna
But
come
don't you
out.
think that he's, especially Kendrick, is going to try to continuously milk it?
But he's dropping.
Because at this point, he wouldn't.
But he's dropping.
Would you stop when if you are seen
gave you
as
your
a
biggest
victim?
high.
Yeah.
But the thing
Yeah.
is, the thing is, for me, Kendrick is dropping.
How so?
We are born now.
Yeah, Kendrick stands are gonna come for
We are born
you.
now. We are born now. They must come.
Hey.
We are born at this point. We are born at this point in time. I was saying this to Unai the other day. Drake was not supposed to entertain that beef.
Yeah.
Drake has so much to lose in that beef. Kendrick
Yeah.
had nothing to lose.
Yeah.
Now, you figure like a point where Kendrick was the 5th largest artist in the world. Ne? But if you check from when Not Like Us was released to now, he dropped away drastically. Imagine if, as an artist, career yako at this
Depending
point
on
in
that
time
high.
will be centered. You have
On a beef.
career yako is centered around one song.
Yeah.
Your entire career. That means it's over, bruh.
Not
Kendrick
to say
now.
he's not a good artist.
Not to
he's
say-
a
not to
great
say-
Yeah,
artist.
not
Okay,
to
let me
say,
say
yeah.
this.
Not to say he's not a good artist, but get me, ne? Not to say he's not a good
Kendrick,
artist.
we know him for moments.
Yes.
ungumntu drop i-album anyamalale
Yeah.
2 to 3 years and then come back again yonke laa nto yakhona now this is unfamiliar territory for him
Yeah.
to number one, I'm no longer with TDE. I have my own stable now. And this stable sam ukuze siqhubeke ngosebenza funeke ndingarelax
Drop.
ndisebenze qho. Now me being here, I have to now find ways to be consistent. Inconsistency yakhe will then start from Not Like Us. Because Not Like Us was benefiting the stable, not to TDE. From then onwards, we got on a high note in the stable sake, the relationship yake with the label. Now, kuzawusoloko kunzima for him to continuously be like
to the
Kendrick
bar.
Wangogya xa
Oh.
inguye who is in charge now ongenzelwa zinto emacaleni.
Uyabona uKendrick, this beef was his biggest moment ever in his career. This
I
beef.
agree.
His biggest moment ever in his career, and I'm not a Kendrick fan, but I love music. I love creative arts. I love the entertainment industry. So if you look at how far that song went, it might be his solo diamond, Not Like Us. After that, there is nothing who will surpass that song. That's my worry. Nah, not really, man. Not really.
The Crips and the Bloods were there.
The thing is, we are born. When you are fighting a ghost, ne? You rally people behind you, so that the facade that you create, it makes you look as if you're winning. You get me? Yeah. By this time, I would have expected Kendrick to have more wins. He targets more wins in terms of his success in his career. But now, remember,
Super Bowl?
Nah, not really, man. Remember,
What do you mean not really?
listen, it's Super Bowl, ne? Kendrick was given a Super Bowl because of the beef.
Okay.
Now, when you look at Drake, whatever he will get or whatever he got in his career, he got it because he was him.
Yeah.
Kendrick, he had to shift and change abe yindo that he's not used to.
Okay.
Yeah, but now,
To such a point that even abantu friends zakhe besitsho uba yo isincedile le beef, we're getting more music than we've ever
Exactly,
got
from
from him.
Kendrick.
Yeah.
of which that's something he's never done. Uyabona ke ngoku, this thing, how far it goes, he must constantly poke Drake.
Yeah.
Okay, hold that thought. Highlight of your week.
Highlight of the week. I think one is training umzali.
What?
Yeah.
Lachi 2K.
I think one is training umzali.
on how our relationship should go.
How to raise
think
me.
I've always found it difficult to say no to my mom. Not because she's a difficult person to say no to, but because I think I'm not supposed to say no. I don't know how it works because it wasn't actually difficult. She didn't take it
Any
weirdly.
other way.
She was like, oh, okay, why? Yo. And she moved on with her life. Like, what, right?
Yeah.
And
The
that
curious, the curious,
a proud moment.
Let me tell you, the curious.
But once again, don't.
I wonder. Yabona mos, kune rules ezithi you are a child, you parent.
Yeah.
That is forever.
Yeah.
I wonder, yeyiphi lento umama wakho ebeyenza ukuthi ufikelele la point abangaba now I must say hi and makanimamele when I say hi.
Yeah. I can share that. So, asihlale endlini eyi-1.
Uhlala pona?
Ndihlala phezulu. Ndihlala ezantsi.
Yena uhlala ezantsi.
Okay.
Ndihlala phezulu, ndihlala ezantsi. Thini? Ndihlala phezulu, ndihlala ezantsi. No. Phezulu, literally. And her expectation is that every day, mna, xa ndibuya kule ndawo ndibuya kuyo kanye ndizoya kwindawo endiya kuyo mandiye kuye every single day. And that's what I say no to.
That's love, man.
That's love, but I say no to that love. I will see you. Aizophela iveki ngakubonanga, but I've got things to
Now
do. You can't say ndiphuma ngo-7.
Now uyatefa.
No, but ndiyothini? Ima yintoni endiyenza?
She wants to see umntana wakhe
Why?
that you are alive.
Kodwa uqala undibona every single day of her life. Why?
Ufuna ukubona that ugrand uphilile. Remember, we have a tendency of lying to our parents, not to worry them. Ubethiwe hayi ndigileke emnyango na yena ufuna proof of life nyani.
I don't think it's that, because when she doesn't see me, then like unezinto manje ezifani. I wish I could play voice notes. Uyabona ba yo hayi anixatyiswanga just ngemini eyi-1 awuxatyisanga awunikhatlelanga, and it hurts because akazithethi kamnandi ezi zinto ba oh no mxabisile lo mna umuntu
Obi une nice life problems guys. Obi une nice life problems.
Yeah.
Une nice life problems. Do you know
But there
that?
are
Do you know?
problems as
Do you know that?
Linganena.
Do you know that those people who don't have parents
Babawela
is
kwalona.
Catalan.
you can't do that.
Those people who don't have parents.
Bendizothetha
Mamela,
naye
mamela.
ndithi,
can't
Those
do
people-
that.
Those people.
it's not fair.
Eh?
No,
You
no,
can't
no,
do
no, no,
that.
no. What I'm saying,
You
ne?
can't do
those
that.
people who don't have parents as
can't.
Catalayo.
Yeah.
Mamela, get me, Obi. Those people who don't have parents as Catalayo. Bona kokweni kwavula zibhuqe. Hey, sometimes akho bekhona la mntu.
Just to say.
Just
Yeah.
to say. Yabo.
It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Yes. No, it's not fair. It's like
What are
But I
you?
don't think, but guys, mna, I don't
Namibia
think,
as well.
I don't think
Namibia.
umama
I'm
akho.
going to Namibia on Friday.
Oh,
La, la.
So
Hey,
just
safe
telling
travel.
you,
Hey.
That's the highlight.
safe travel.
Nokonyelwa nini mna?
Kune Voyager in the making, ne?
Hey, and uyiyo nyani. Yo.
Wow, I've never.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gama.
So what are you reading, watching, listening to?
The Bible, but besides the Bible, I'm reading a book called Blue Ocean Strategy at the moment. Watching.
Yeah, and listening to.
Actually, yesterday I was watching a new movie. I thought I wouldn't enjoy it, but I think it was quite nice, called Collateral. Kanye.
The Gabble Smith.
Not collecting. What can't you check it on my
Of that female.
hello,
Oh, yeah. You know, who's this guy? Like Mission Impossible. The other one.
Netflix something available.
Why villain man? Mission Impossible 2. I just forgot the name of the guy.
So you're watching that?
Yeah.
Then what are you listening to?
What am I listening to? Oh. There's nothing in. Hey, there's a song. Hey, okadibona ku TikTok. Hey, benikangel. Ithi ipati by Kamumphela. Oko inihlele bra. To such a point that nangobe niphumile ndiyapha echina ngo ndifake ifowuni elantukeni ndifake ifowuni emotweni kuCarPlay yatsho kuqala into azayitshintsha hayi ayitshintsheki hayi cause ucula zazingoma zepiano.
Yeah. You think she's coming back? Come.
Ndiyazi discography yakhe umculo wakhe, but ndiqhela uva njengayo, so I can't say uba she's coming back or what.
Ukaloku Kamamphela are one of the originators bapha eqaleni kwepiano nje kufaka vocals nje beef chicken
Nguye lo.
nguye lo cula la ngoma.
Yeah, andilandeli.
She's one of the people that started kufaka masipiano qala yayinantsika yodwa, then kuba ko shesha geza, then nabanye abantu
bafaka by ulantuko Khilakaw.
Khilakaw umntana no bayalingana.
Khona umuntu manje becommente kule khona ndibone ku TikTok le ngoma. Umuntu comment le andanoba ngikhilakaw okanye ngibana, but khona one of these guys that passed away kodwa wathi abantu would be so proud of you.
Mhlawumbe masingathi mendoda ke mhlawumbe they were together for the most part.
Kaya nguye mhlawumbe wamfaka egameni.
Khilakaw waqala ngenantsika ebhedini.
All video yakhe nyansi.
Waqala pha wathi ubana thank you to my friends for following me the next day for trainer. But yeah, that's that. So lo ngulongoma ipati iBhayibhile Ocean Strategy.
Yeah.
And then what?
It's quite a nice read for people who are in the business space. You just want to look at your strategy Mhlamba, you're actually doing it right, or you need to change a couple of things. In she and dinner pointers at and yeah, I think I need to change how I do things in terms of business strategy and all that stuff. Young, the name of the movie is Exterritorial. Yeah. Yeah.
OP, reading, watching, listening to?
So I'm reading a book called My Broken Vagina.
Yo.
Sure.
By
What is it
Ben
about?
Bush. It's about sexuality and identity of like a woman.
Yeah, ne?
Like a woman who's trying to explore her sexuality.
Okay.
She's not sleeping around, but yeah, she's just, yeah.
Yeah.
Why you go cringe?
Yeah.
Why you go cringe? And then
Music?
the music. I haven't listened to any music in a minute.
Awunala ngomikhalelayo?
No, I haven't listened to music in a minute. And Spotify, Apple Music, and Impatali, so I don't really listen to music anymore. But I'm looking forward to listening to the album. Yeah, Lil
Lil
Wayne
Wayne.
Sando Puma.
Kada IV.
Yes. And
No,
I
Kata
just
Kata
finished.
VI.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I just
Kada
finished
IV was
watching
the
The
best.
Better Sister.
Bunny?
The Better Sister
Oh.
Don't
on
let-
Apple TV.
Apple TV, I think we do on Apple TV. It's a series.
Oh. And then, Godman, listening, reading, watching.
Hey, I'm just gonna disappoint. Reading. Currently, I'm in a phase in my life where now I need to just read one thing. I'm reading articles, quite a lot. Quite a lot of articles around
Personal reading okanye for school.
no development, growth, academic. So I'm reading a whole lot of articles around events, tourism, entertainment, fashion. How does Yongle Bank mix up together? That material is for something that will change my life forever. That is what I'm currently reading. Funny enough, when it comes to what I'm watching, I went back to a series that I did not finish. I'm rewatching Lincoln Lawyer.
Oh, the Lincoln Lawyer.
The Lincoln Lawyer. I'm starting from the first season because that's Libal Bandapelab. So I'm rewatching the Lincoln Lawyer with the aim yoba I'm gonna watch White Collar. Yeah.
Can I just suggest the Lincoln Lawyer does a movie. So the series is based on that movie. It's interesting. I think it's fun.
No,
If
man.
you have time to spare, watch it before you or after.
So the movie is
will.
also called Lincoln Lawyer.
Lincoln, yeah, it's the
Okay.
same thing, but
I
it's a
will.
movie.
I will. I need things that would make me relax. Music, man. In terms of new music, it's difficult to listen to new music now. It's garbage. So what I've started listening to like over the weekend, I don't know why. I missed what happened between 2008 and 2014. That was the height of hip hop globally. I was listening to Rick Ross and Maybach music, how they used to drop albums.
Yeah.
So not specifically a certain song, no, that. Remember how they used to drop? Rick Ross would drop a project, after that, a group Maybach music, they drop
Yeah.
just to promote what is coming, and then Umik will drop, Wale will drop, and then another one would follow. So I was listening to that type of music, and Dalez. Funny enough, I was listening to a project at Dalez. Diamond in Africa.
Which song, Payan? Which eating single, yeah? Lifestyle, lifestyle.
The album,
Real
what's that song?
stuff.
Real stuff. Go
Heaven.
Not
Why the
God.
fuck we go so hard? Working on
Go
God
not
and day,
God.
you know,
Go not God. Yona lena ina zangoma lifestyle pa.
Oh yeah. Okay.
lifestyle pha nale ngoma ithi la ngoma la Water Weeping, which is currently the song that I'm listening to pha
Sure.
in that project.
The funda incwadi but the PDF but I want the book so that in Manenbala it's what would the Rockefellers do. Basically it's about two people. It's like Rich Dad no Poor Dad.
Okay.
Omnye Rockefeller was rich nalo wesibini ndimlibele nje nantsika yakhe. I'm just starting out. Nalo wesibini was rich but Rockefellers are still rich today. Bona ba broke bonke. Yonke la mali yalowana who was the primary person to be rich. Esquandary uthobucisha esquandary check. So Rockefeller ufundise abantwana on how to work with and increase the younger law yakhona. So what would the Rockefellers do? The second chapter 1 because the answer got this PDF. Uthi qathe into ezininzi ofuneka uzenzile awukwazi ufocus.
Ngaloku lapha efonini.
I say laptop indisusile. But even naphayana kuniphazanyiswa na iphone. Yeah. So andiyazi ngaske ndibeke umood ethile can funda noba zi chapters 3 just to change how I think and. So that's what I'm reading, and then what I'm watching is all been bukela Straw.
Yeah, ne? Khawulile wena.
Not
mina amehlo bomvu ngiqoma izibambe apha imbavu inyembezi.
not really, man. I think with sometimes it was anticlimactic for me, yabo, for the clips that I've seen, the reaction yabantu to those clips and how they cried. Ithe xa ifikelela kuloo ndawo kum, it was just cause ngokuthiwa she died ngona balilayo abantu kwezi clips zakhona but
She died
kumba
where?
the daughter died.
Okay.
Bubukela
No
I did
spoilers.
watch the
Ningafake
movie.
spoilers
Yeah.
about spoiler
I
alert.
kunini beyispoiler.
I did watch the movie.
Yeah, ngokuthiwa umntana ucishile. Ndicinga ucishe mina ekule ndawo athathwe kuyo uyofumana isizwe wacisha. Kanti imovie iqala umntana ecishile. Isuke yandidodobalisa lo way. It was also better ngokudutyulwe wafa, not ngokuhamba yayobanjwa. I preferred that ending. In order for it to be effective with the people outside waiting for the bank, it was better when she was shot and killed than aphume ayongena enantsikeni.
I feel I have a different view.
Opicel Kof? Yeah.
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 I have a different view. My view is that I was mad because I thought she dies.
That's
Ne?
what I'm saying.
I was mad. I thought she dies, and then I was like, "Nah, man. Remember the kunala mali I nike." I was like, "Nah, man. The story must find a way to carry itself. Continuation possibility." Yabo?
So
That's what I'm saying.
but yeah, no yes.
That's what I'm saying. The possibility of it continuing, because the way it ends, it's like, yeah, it's a cliffhanger.
Ngokabanjwa.
Yeah. A story cannot end like that. Yona is a very emotional movie, painful to watch, but not enough to make me cry. It's like, have you ever watched John Q? For me, it was like that. Denzel Washington, John Q. It was like exactly set up is more or less the same. And now I also give props to the main lead actors there. Taraji P. Henson, Tiana Taylor, of which I was shocked to Tiana Taylor. Tiana ndiyamazi uyajiva, uyadwenza zanto zakhe, uyacula, but yeah, acting, nah man, amazing.
Just knocked it off the park.
Yeah, amazing. So
I don't know, man. I watched that thing, yabo. It was good.
You ain't got to
Yona.
make that thing.
It was good, Yona, ne?
it's the biggest on Netflix right now.
Yeah, but kaloku you either way noba ngathi na no ingathengisi inansika. There are things, man.
Abe
There are-
ngayibreaka iLondon.
Imbava, like
In a moment.
I watched the movie
In a moment.
Fractured, yabo.
In a moment, la movie.
Yeah, kwenye movie
Leya
called
lamntana.
Fractured.
Movie.
Leyana nala time lithi umntana wami ungene
Yeah.
liftini
Yeah.
akaphuma.
Great.
That's the same feeling I got from here. Like with you believe this whole thing can be hallucination.
Oh, ndiyakuva ke ngoku.
Yabo? All this thing that is supposed to make you cry, a hallucination.
So that's why it was anticlimactic. too.
Watutulwa kanti still a hallucination.
Yeah.
Go ndikhalela ntoni?
So now bubcoki mosobu.
But mna yazi mna I did not feel that part udujulwa kake ngongathi
She was hallucinating.
No, she was thinking if
What would
I-
happen if she doesn't leave?
It
What
was
would
not
happen?
real. The
What would
point
happen?
is, it was not real.
So what was real?
What was real is that ubulele abantu abayi ubulele lethu Leana plus naleya wangena ebhankini warobha ibank noba izithini na i-details zayo but wangena ebhankini those were the real things Phakla way yonke enye into were not real now
What?
it's like
No, the thing is the
What wasn't
possibility.
Yeah?
This is what I want to understand now. The possibility. Umile wacinga. If I do this, this is what's gonna happen. That's why she decided.
no uhoya le nda yokugqibela wena ukuvuka ekuseni athithe nomntana was not a real thing wahamba wathini wayongena emotweni was not a real thing ukubizwa aye esikolweni afike phaa kuthatha umntana wakhe ahambe was not a real things. Those were the things that were building up kum ezindenza ndiyivi emotion yeza
she was-
ukuya esipani kwenzeke laa nto esipani aphume esipani naleyana yenze la way. That was the only real thing. So the real things are here. Uphume sithi uzohamba 30 minutes. Wabuya after 2 hours. Wagqothwa because ungumuntu osoloko ene-excuses enengxaki. Wahamba waya ebhankini esithi unemali ethile kodwa imali eminimum leyo. So those were the real things. Eskela andifuna kana entertain into yolilela iskela because it was not real. It like
It's not like it was not real.
It was
Have you-
real.
It was real.
Can I just speak on why I think it was real? It was real because if you felt that emotion when it happened, it was a real moment. She didn't know that she was hallucinating until after it
this
was
is what
revealed.
I felt with Fractured. Kaloku, that's what I'm trying to say.
But
OP.
you were emotional when you were watching the movie, were you not? Until the end.
I'm
you
not
cannot-
talking about emotions here. I'm not talking about
You're talking
emotions.
about?
Ndithetha into yobana the reason why ndaba nomsindo ku-Fractured okokoko kwemovie qalile ndandiyicingela le ba kutheni bengam-understandi up
Kanti.
until yule nja yabo yiyo libulela umfazi wayo yabo here ndithi yo Teraj is having a bad day mos nobuya mcinga la mthetho webhetri yabo okokoko ndicinga uba yo izinto ziyapakishana for Teraj now that siyepakisha ngitanki lolila xa sendilapha kule ndawo
Kanti.
mana mntana ucishe izolo now inyembezi ziyashukumeka ngoziyehla cishe izolo and then yabuya yayochaza phaa ngokaphuma iphethe umoya ngokaphuma esibhedlela kokuqala komuva phethe umoya ngokaleleyo uncokola uthetha yedwa ngokangena emotweni ngokayesigela ngokathintini esi sizathu simenza abe nje nale $40 yonke is based on engqondo yakhe it is not happening.
But so I'll feel really bad for when umtu or
I'm not saying I'm not feeling bad. I'm just saying uFractured ukuze ndibe nomsindo ndingaphinde ndibe mbukela ndingamrecommend is being tricked. I felt like I'm being tricked.
Yeah, ndiyakuva.
But I'm mna andimva.
Andimva
Because the reality of the matter, ne? A whole lot of people go through
Yeah.
that. When you lose someone,
what
ne?
he's arguing is not that people don't go through that, but from a standpoint of watching
A movie, not ulando yenzeke
I think even from our standpoint, then it's not valid that he feels that way about the movie because the whole point of the movie
Is to make you
was for
think.
you to think
think.
based on
Because
that experience and that lived reality yala sisi.
Exactly.
There was a reason why enzwe a hallucinate. So unomsindo kuba enzwe a hallucinate. I understand why like ukhathiwe in order to get the emotion.
No, I think I don't know. Maybe you'll correct me if maybe now I'm getting you wrong.
And babukela fractured.
The
I've
thing
watched
is, ne,
Lahore.
in the movie they could have portrayed the feeling, but without closing it. Maybe it was not going to be as powerful
have
as it
defeated,
is. Yeah.
yes.
But I think Mna, that's what you are getting to. Instead of making us, the viewers, the people that are watching, think that all these things are really happening. Whereas you can show both sides of the coin. Ukuthi, she is hallucinating and this is how it feels. Ube nguwe who empathizes ngokunokwakho rather than being tricked into it. I don't know if I'm putting it right.
Nah. With me, I feel
doesn't
Unai is unfair
Towards-
because
towards what?
you're unfair
Towards what?
to the plot of the movie.
Yeah.
One, uyabona la movie, uyirealize so ubukele into engapha kwe half that what is happening is not real.
Yes. At
That's the
end,
problem that he has.
Kaloku what I'm saying,
Ufractured. Nambona the
Kaloku
last 5 minutes.
No, but then it
ukubana-
takes away from.
mna zange
It takes away from the movie. It takes away from the movie.
nambukela fractured and Maz.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is that movie you watch and then be like xana kwenzekela la ndawo yasebank, that's when you realize but damn. Uyabona?
This is
I hate movies as straightforward. That was not straightforward. My mind was made to think. Like Makala was questioning. I paused it, and I was like,
Yeah.
nah, man, really?
Nah, I think Mna, it's a matter
Okay,
of
guys, let me.
it
Okay.
took-
Of preference.
Actually, what it did, Tops, it took my mind back. We have OP. I was like, what?
Same.
And then, like,
It-
this time I fell I'm like, damn. This is the very same thing. Abayenze pha kule movie buyibukela izolo. Extra ndonto where they deleted the picture
bamenze ngathi
yomntana. Bamenze ngathi
hallucinate. Yeah.
Maz, no.
Kodwa
Okay,
Again, that's why I was saying, but I think it's a matter of preference.
yeah.
Ngoba, like for instance, now I don't like movies based on a true story. No matter how sometimes it may be good, but just not really, but
Not really.
write it out.
Straightforward kumi movies njalo.
Exactly.
Lento athi uyayicapkela.
Yabo.
Because then the plot twist, if
Okay,
we already know
we will spend a lot of time with
Utatu
the strong. The acting is good because I got hooked right until the end. Yabo. The storyline is also good. It shines a light. Go quite shiny light kuno one, but it shines a light. Number 2. Number 3, like everything, man, is good. Like with Diabuza njeba lamakhulu bithindo yakhe yena. Mina ngakatyanga lamakhulu sebhangeni. Ungona aqala iba nesiyeza ebusuku. Yibe intoni lena imhlalisileyo from there until ebusuku
But
ukuze akhutshwe.
ibingeyo mini yonke. Ibingeyo mini yonke because remember imini yonke bekusekuseni waye emsebenzini wafuneka ephumile emsebenzini after esemsebenzini so ibi around masithi mhlawumbe ngo 3-4 so ayo mini yonke waphuma xa kuqala uba mnyama ayo mini
OP,
yonke.
you are focusing on into erongo.
How?
Why engaphumanga ngokuphuma abanye abantu namakhulu?
Jayibo ebengafuna uphuma
That's my thing. Ebehlele uhleliselwe ntoni?
because we are sympathize like
She felt the pain.
Umsympathize wamanyani ngulona uthi don't worry umntana wakho ndizamgcina. Like there was ebesekhona umsympathize.
ebengasympathize
Ebesithini?
ebephosisa besiyithetha izolo sithi kuthene phosisa wathi wena funeka amenze I believe lando so that angambulali ebengasympathize
So it's not xa uxoka awukwazi usympathize ngobuxoki.
usympathize njani kodwa uyaxoka you can't say I'll help you
It is
I'll
not
take care
real
of
but
you.
it's sympathy. Sympathy is
It's
sympathy.
not sympathy. You were asked the
Yeah.
question, will you take care of my child? What yena, yes, I will take. That's not sympathy.
Okay, so izaba ngathi ne how it looks ngoka it look bad, very bad.
No, it's not sympathy.
No. Let me just explain this. How it looks right now between Nina no 2 plus nam. Utobani ungatenga ungayibukeli. I look very bad ngokuba mna andithethanga ntondoni la way. Unvile banthe yonke into grand pha. But mna preference I do not like to be tricked
I get it.
at the end after I've developed. Unfila ntuksela. Unfila ntuksela.
But utook nayo ukuvile.
Yeah. Kanti yabo. That's
Ela polisa actually li elibultuka.
yeah.
Alco wrong because
okay.
Yeah.
So no, I spend a lot of time what I'm watching. What I'm listening to is more GPS by KO.
KO, yes.
Yeah. GPS by KO.
Yo, I okay.
Why the cough? Is it a cough? because-
KO
No, KO,
between Cast and KO.
KO. Listen, I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem.
KO,
Question.
In terms of what?
In terms of what?
everything.
In terms of
In terms of everything.
yeah.
What do you mean everything?
In terms of
the
what?
in terms of the personality, the impact.
Can't just say
talking music.
everything.
Impact is a better quest.
That's why I'm asking. In terms of what?
In terms of
Preference, in terms of preference.
Ne? Do we take away tear gas?
In terms of
KO.
what?
That's why I'm asking. In terms of what?
In terms of preference, can I answer you? In terms of preference, who do you prefer between the two of them?
if you
And
prefer
why
both.
do you prefer?
Okay, in terms of
Who do you
in
prefer?
terms of a preference.
Yes, preference. yeah.
Preference based on what?
Okay,
Based
on your life. Your
Okay.
life, it could be on anything, and you'll tell us why.
Okay,
or
sure.
that
Oh, yeah.
person.
Likeness.
when
You will just tell us why you prefer that person.
Okay,
You can tell
but
us
now-
my
in
question
terms of
was-
what?
when it comes to a beef, you were there in that beef. No, man. In terms of the songs, you were there when Big Zulu wrote that.
one.
Yeah, and then Bapendula by two. Which one do you gravitate to the most?
I question.
Impendulo yam is not gonna change how I feel about the other over the other.
Yeah, but what
But
between
in this case,
Quest.
question? Okay, Opi, ngachuthi zanga imamele again.
And yes, yeah.
When it comes to love songs, kukho kind of love. Kubekho ngiyasifela ngawo.
Which one is
Which
bigger?
one do you prefer? Do you prefer?
Ngiyazifela ngawo.
yeah, I'm going to
Questa still.
Yes.
It's a crossover.
Now, in terms of structure album, I don't know if you've ever listened to the whole albums of them.
Both.
Yeah. Which album do you prefer? Nobody who do you think
On the album, there's a structure well.
creates? Yeah.
This, for me, it's Questa.
For me too, I'll still say Quest.
Quest.
I've hardly even got through an album yet.
It's Questa because wabona
KO.
Ukati had a different idea or yomculo that KO must do. After was kind of Republic, and then Ukati no KO but disbanda. No KO net ne focus yakhe ya disbanda nayo.
Okay. Now, since we the albums. Now, in terms of, because Enye Indo was bringing international recognition to Mzansi, who has brought that? Kubo Boy 2.
Questa for me.
Yeah. So now, who is your favorite artist between Questa and KO?
Questa
Both.
for me. I don't have a problem with KO. Questa
Yeah.
for me. Wabona KO. The first album for me, too dope. First album,
Skanda,
Skanda.
first solo album.
Yeah, too dope. There are like 2 songs that I hate in that
Yeah,
album.
but overall
Otherwise,
clean.
overall grand. Mission Statement. You can hear even his flow is
Yeah,
polished.
yeah,
Everything was
yeah.
grand. Usen la after factor yet I guess. Yeah. And then the second Skanda, let's not say you will, and it say you will.
Yeah.
You must
Oh, yeah. That it's a lukewarm project for me. Le PDY LTD, it's got about 2 or 3 good songs, according to me. And then Le Inosete, Nayo, there is nothing wow about it, except one song that stands out in the entire album.
The last album got Questa, Big Bro Theo, Big Brother Theo.
The current that's the current album.
Yeah, the last album got as in now, and we coupe glonyak. The last album got KO, put last week. Okay, Mamelwen,
And get my man.
Parasite, wena
I've listened to KO's ones, Questa. Questa, it was too heavy for me to listen.
In what regard?
The thing is, I think my expectation suffered. I expected more, and then he delivered shitty material. Maybe after I've listened to it again, that's the same way I felt about Lil Wayne. After I've listened to it again and then Zoibona, like even when I listen to Lega KO, I still feel the same way. For me, it's like these guys are not motivated anymore.
Okay.
From the standpoint, when I listen to music sonically, production, the rollout, the singles, the features, this is just so unnecessary.
What song pakuna nsika?
Parasite.
Masimunye sizawumenza yena ngelakhe ixesha.
Parasite.
Let's focus on a Parasite. So awukamameli wena? Awukamameli now OP. Okay.
Did we settle bangaba?
Yeah, Questa obviously wins ngoku. Obvious now ndiyothuka.
But I think there's something to be said about KO. As much as he may have because nyane albums besides the first one. Yeah. But une culture shifting moments. Talk about Karakara. Talk about Tusete. Zininzi. Like, yeah.
Those are two has gone in.
Light School.
Those are the only two that culture. Those are the only two.
So, as much as ndihamba naye uQuesta, but I don't think ufikile to that level of having like songs that really shifted the culture.
I think the better artist between the two is KO.
What do you mean?
In terms of numbers.
What do you mean? In terms of selling numbers?
Yeah.
Nah, man.
In terms of
streams.
Get out of here.
No. I'm sure.
No. Look.
Yeah, I never listened to anything by Questa that is not a hit song and go. That is by Questa.
That's what I'm saying exactly.
And go. Yeah. So, for me, I feel like I enjoy Questa more with hit songs ake, and I don't think he has a lot kaba. Like if it's an album, I don't enjoy the album. Ukogqithela hit song E1 or Z2. That's what I mean. I enjoy more. Like I will listen to Uskanda Love.
So you're saying you enjoy albums as KO
more than I do as Questa.
Okay, come and boost. Must do Uskanda Love, not Dakar one.
Uskanda Love and Dakar one.
Your man Uskanda Republic. Uskanda Republic, not Dakar one.
Uskanda Republic.
Yes.
Wena?
Uskanda Republic.
Uskanda Republic.
Ukhangena ku Dakar. Sharp. Good this one.
Yeah, but hey.
So that's why I'm saying that would be Uskanda Republic.
Okay,
and I can tell you, and I will tell you why.
Why?
I enjoyed listening to it more.
Yeah.
Than this Quest.
Than the Questa one, it looked long. I find it not Dakar 2. Dakar 2 is easy.
Not this 2 nje.
Dakar 2? No,
Dakar 2 is a separate album.
It's a separate album. Dakar 2.
No, Dakar 1.
Yeah, Dakar 1, Dakar 2. Those are two.
No.
When you Dakar 2.
Dakar 2.
Sorry.
Dakar 2 are you?
Oh my
Everything.
You listen to it flawlessly, the album.
What was happening there?
What do you mean?
What was happening with Questa there that is not happening now?
That's what I'm saying. Inspiration.
Hip hop was at its
and now I do agree with you, Sean.
Inspiration.
Yeah.
Remember, the only thing Bobai 2 they suffered from Indway 1. Bobai 2 they suffered from Indway 1. Questa. No, KO.
KO.
That's how I feel. They suffered from into A1. Unfortunately, it had to happen until the other guy left. Wabona, the time Udaka 2 was out, the time KO wafika no karakara, ne? Unfortunately, bafike industry ingabakhathalelanga that much. The industry was focusing more on the beef. The beef, I highly believe the beef destroyed hip hop as South Africa. Beef here between AKA and KO and Casper. These guys were big, but they were not bigger than the two.
Yeah.
Even though they were big, Udaka was the biggest album, but them as artists were not bigger than AKA and Casper.
They didn't get.
But
the
by
platform
two, they did not get the limelight because
Yes,
of the
they
beef.
didn't get it real.
Not at all. You would look at bookings. You would look at the airplay. You like everything. Look at the deals.
I would disagree with the bookings. Maybe the albums.
I know the
right?
bookings. I'm telling you the bookings.
Not the bookings.
Nah, I'm telling you now the bookings. Yeah, remember that year. MTV used to do reviews of a year. It's going to be AKA Casper or Casper AKA the other follows. Oh, go.
No, man.
Yes. Give me 1
No,
year.
man.
Give me 1 year where the two.
No, let's
Give
go.
me
We
1
can.
year.
We can.
Yeah, you can check. Give me a year.
The thing
Ever
you go to
since-
smash, ne?
Ever
Yes,
since-
He's in there.
Ever since the beef started, mna jonga umzekelo ndakuxelela umzekelo kanje. While AKA was alive, uCasper ekhona, it was even difficult to see Nasty C. That is how bad things were. That's how bad things were. Nasty C.
No MT, no MT, no.
But do you think Kwaku, was it because of that? Eka Nasty C? Do you think it was because of that and not his style of rap at the time?
No.
He had a good.
I think they were like the big dogs of the industry.
Even now,
they became that by the beef.
Jongomzekelo OB to
Jay-Z no
OB
not- okay.
mamela OB ndifuna umfixa kule ndawo SMA was the biggest song in hip hop ever to be released. SMA
Yeah. Send me away.
The song was big, but yena uNasty C as an artist uyazazi naye ebengasoza be bigger than AKA no Casper.
Casper.
Kuza xa kuthethwayo nge-hip hop kuthiwe Casper AKA
Yeah.
everything iyashata.
As much as
Even noma
Masimoma,
kukho yena
Sisithini,
Ewe bonke
Nyanisile.
bonke
No, I
MT
agree with you.
bonke jonga up to a point where when brands think of something to do in South Africa
they think about the
they
two.
think about the two. The others
They
will
follow.
later.
Depends how.
Wabona umzekelo uNasty C.
The biggest brands were going to AKA and Casper.
Friends, think of
You,
something
the biggest
Rock
brand.
and
Zinitse funding.
Zinitse.
You are obese.
Oh, absolute
brand
vodka.
with Casper. Which
Zinitse.
brand with Casper?
You funding sayisokolo kwenzela no shop right. Ngimanga
Oh, was it that big? I mean,
Zininzi.
uCasper
As a brand
uCasper
person,
uyawanconywa
AKA
ke
show.
kwathiwa this guy
as a
is
brand
very
person,
business
AKA
minded
show, but
to such a point that
Casper
kude
Farmer.
kuthiwa
Kuzovakala lokhu ucandisana.
kude kuthiwa even when it comes to business he is leading even ahead of AKA
Yeah.
because he was getting deals left, right, and center, sponsorships,
what was
all
the
of
time?
that.
TV
For
show.
Samsung, besiya
What
kuye,
time? What-
and
when
all
was
of
that?
that.
When was
MTN even.
what year is this? Just give me
You
a
will
timeline.
not find it.
What?
OB
Kaloku,
if
kaloku,
uzayipublisha
kaloku.
ngoku. You had to be there.
Kaloku, what I'm saying, now this is what I'm saying.
So
This is what I'm saying.
kumntu owakhe wayicinga le nto wakhe wathetha ngayo. We're not the first.
OB.
What I'm saying,
There's a blog out there that has this information.
OB, what I'm saying,
No,
ne?
guys.
What I'm saying,
It's
kukuba-
simplistic to say.
what I'm saying is, since the beef started up until AKA departed, when you talk of hip hop in South Africa, they're at the forefront.
Do you disagree with
I
that?
don't disagree with that. No, that is an important point.
And everyone knew that.
Yeah.
Up to a point where
Or
you
like
would
Ricky
look-
Bayafika,
You-
they don't reach there.
Why?
Ricky has a good year, but-
Are we talking about beef or are we talking about, like, are we talking that hip hop was centered around their beef? Is that
Exactly.
the
Hip
conversation?
hop was centered
and
around
not their music.
Hip hop was
So it
centered
was-
around them. Hip hop
but
was centered
I-
around them. Hip hop was centered around them.
I
Look,
disagree.
one of these guys.
Angakhuphi i-album omnye umntu kwi-hip hop athuthe u-AKA into ethile. i-attention iphumile
Go on,
kula
bruh.
album noba
Go
intsonga
on.
kanani
Go on.
na
This is-
Siza kule beef.
Yeah,
Kulanto about AK did this, AK said this to Casper.
Casper, this,
They
this,
threw
that.
jabs at each other.
And
That's
up,
the
and
nature
up
of
to
any beef
and up
today.
to a point up to
But look
to
at the
a
point is that to such a point that
Uzawuthi
it put other artists in the shadow.
out. They shut other artists out. Uyabona, the only person they were competing with was Black Coffee,
Who's not even in the hip
who's
hop
not
industry.
even in the hip hop space. Casper, aka hi.
Also, to know what are you saying no
Gone.
to Obi?
akavumi nje kube feelings zakhe
Gone. They were gone. Yabona honesty say
No,
like
but I'm asking you,
umzekelo.
for example, the brand thing. I'm asking you to name these brands. You
Who
can't
in
just say you had
contrast
to
to
be
what?
there.
Ke OB. Like, if I name these brands zawuthini?
mna
Ngibele ne-train of thought yami lokho ngiyacacisa noma
Okay, nakuname.
mna ndingaziname
Nakuname.
I don't have a problem
Name,
mna ndingaziname
name.
I don't have a problem yabona xa usuka ngo 2014 do you remember 2014 kukhona la way Amstel Cold ndona kanene that concert
Yes.
Friends of
oh,
not Friends of Amstel.
la way yeah Castle Light
Castle Light, yes.
do you remember that
Yeah.
Yeah.
who did they want who did they want
Who did they want?
Who did they want
Who
in
did
South
they
Africa?
want?
The two.
Did they do it actually?
Yes.
I'm
Yes, you can check it. Jonga, do you remember when AKA ended up saying he's not going to open for international artists anymore? Do you remember when AKA was no longer interested in awards anymore? Those guys, they shifted the game. They shifted the games. Or the game. MTN was working with Casper. Vodacom was working with AKA. That's why I was like, it was like Chiefs and Parades. It was like Chiefs and Parades. The Sundowns the corner is winning, but you still know it's these two.
Even now.
It's these two because if you would check that time, this Ingoma go left, right, and up to a point where there were two teams in the country. Two teams.
Kwikhempe ehamba noNantsika.
Kembe even in media, even behind the scenes, even it was all
fighting
over.
that.
It was
Mna
all
ndifuna
over.
uva Obi uba uthi njengavumi
Jebe,
ntona
nditsho
engayivumiyo.
ba,
It was all
ubeka
over.
ntoni
On what
wena?
ground?
Ngomzekelo
I'm saying
ukuze akwazi
nale nto ayithethayo.
ukuze akwazi understand OB le way ne makacinge of a big moment that any other artist in South Africa has achieved in hip hop while these two were there.
Can I share this? I think that the nature of any beef, right? You can take this Kendrick Lamar and
Drake.
Drake thing, Biggie, Tupac, where there is beef, bro. Where there is beef, people will always want a beef.
Mamela ke Obi ne. Having said that,
Mm-hmm.
keep your train of thought. But I want to interject in the two about you remember Goti, while AKA and Casper, while AKA was still alive, the beef Nestasy and Aries has always been there. But in what way did it play into making them big as Casper and AKA?
Not important.
I'm asking, Gengo, I want to
was
ask,
not
I also want to
important.
pose a question. Is it not something that could be attributed again to the style of rap? That where we are, kasi contextualize, Hloba Repangalu, who's this guy? Nasty
Aries,
C,
yeah.
Aries. The majority of South Africans who are not hip hop heads, who are not, that are just there for vibes and want, Kwaito-ish,
But-
hip
But
hop-ish.
girl, we are not
Honesty-
taking away all of that.
But Honesty is not a hip hop head.
Besides even that,
No, but his
the
hip-hop
conversation is not taking
hip-hop
into that because the
yasekasi.
sentiment that you are giving.
AKA hip hop as a car.
I'm saying to like Nasty C, you must actually like hip hop. People that like Nasty C are people
Pamela
that
wena Obi, ne?
like rap and hip hop.
I disagree.
Let's
stand
first
by that.
singa
I
divert.
I stand by that. He doesn't.
If Honesty say had the biggest song ever to be released in hip hop, who was listening to that song?
Who's this guy? I mean, who's this guy? And if you point out J Love songs is similar to the song that Nandi Ngoma made with who's this guy KO, song that Questa made with that lady as well. It's a love song now. In love songs as in Jayane's melodic, I have an opinion that they tend to just because people gravitate towards love. The content generally, if you're a content creator at Tetangotando, people will like you because I think people are attracted to love songs. Right? So I think it's a good song. Good, but
are you taking away I am never gonna quit? Hell yeah.
No, I'm not taking away that. It's not the same. It's not this like
I'm saying
melodic
what
rap,
I'm saying, OB.
love songs.
OB, you're losing the plot.
What I'm saying,
Let me try to explain this to
Ingxaki andiyivumi. You
Mamela
can't
kaloku.
explain.
On what grounds, kaloku, OB?
Makamamele ke
I've shared my piece.
makamamele. Has anything happened in hip hop between the El Xesha beef that surpassed ukuthethwa kwe beef ka aka no Casper?
No relevance, bro.
I'm not disputing the beef thing. Like ndithethile nam ndithe.
So what are you
ifana ne
disputing
beef.
then?
Yeah.
The beef thing. I'm saying the other guys were as big.
As what?
Which guys?
As big.
If you're not disputing it, then how can you say they were as big?
I want to.
He had his big moments.
Based on what?
His big
you're going to
moments. He
say-
had big moments as well.
If you're going to say they were as big, meaning you are saying they were as big as.
Songs.
Yima big look, Yima whoa.
In terms of ingoma, yes.
But they were as big as AKA and Casper, right? In terms of what?
Of songs.
And
Of their songs, because now they trended because of their songs. Whenever one artist released a song, then they would be big.
OB akwaba izinto bezingathi disappear, ne? There was a time where i-artists zazithanda uyenza laa nto ziyekile ngoku. Very few do that. Where umuntu ebezawuthatha i-lineup yakhe i-gigs zakhe ayenza ayipose. Yeah, now it's no longer something. Yeah. Uyabona ndikwenzela umzekelo about the things that you see around you during the height of the beef. Zikhona ezinye artists zikhona zilapha. How many times would you see AKA no Casper in East London? Compared to other artists, gone nazo ezinye artists. How often would you see even ne booking fee yomntu would tell you how big the person is?
exactly.
The booking fee, i-writer yakhe ne booking fee yakhe. If people are
Exactly.
willing to pay that
Exactly.
much,
Exactly.
But has it changed? Has it changed? Ukubukwa kwabo now that one of them is gone, for example.
Obviously.
Casper is no longer okay, and he knows now. He even said it.
No, for that.
He even said it
Like,
even in
I'm saying,
the other
yes, for
podcast,
Casper,
LT.
but I'm asking for other artists. Has it changed? The ihlobo ababheka ngayo,
Hayi,
are they being
uyabona
booked more?
uyabona now njema these two are no
Or
longer
less,
these
because-
ones now that they are no longer alive, both of them. Even hip hop is not that much. Wow, it's not a big thing. I'm be honest, taken over.
Exactly.
Nangonke bephila,
I
it
was-
wasn't that
Young
wow.
Thug-
It was
yeah,
just a beef thing.
Young
It was a
Thug was
beef. Beef
saved.
thing will always outlive.
OB. How are you?
njengoku.
How are you?
I'm saying it is a beef thing, guys. It's
How
not
are you
even
wish?
an artistry thing.
How are you wish
not an
you would have?
artistry thing,
How are you
it's
wish?
beef.
No artistry. They were not booked for their beef.
Beef.
They were not booked for their beef.
Uzawuthi beef istyle ngoku.
But that's what I was saying. But if then it was the beef,
Jonga,
then
uyabona,
kaloku
uyabona,
beef
Jonga,
kanesisino,
Jonga.
lanto it should have skyrocketed them.
Rugby.
But it didn't do the same effect.
Honesty C, when he
about
released
Mzansi.
Honesty C, when he released Uzulu Man with some power. One released America, not here.
Yeah.
At that side, one released at that side, he didn't blow up. Even he didn't blow up.
Still.
He didn't blow up, and then he had to come back. Bazama ukwenza uDef Jam Africa around upush Honesty C, still failed. Yabona in South Africa umzekelo, wabona the moment where abantu they started to relate to Honesty C was when Honesty C was on Lemons and Lemons Lemonade. Where they released
rapper ngezinto
aba Yabo?
Yeah.
Otherwise, aye.
Why? Because people don't relate to his
To
style.
what
of-
he sings or to what he talks about.
Yeah.
Unesisi is so Eurocentric.
But did I not say that okanye my wedding? City people don't relate to.
But then how do you
Style.
say that and then Pinutuba they are just as big?
This is what I was saying.
I'm saying
kuwe.
okay. Besithetha ngebeef ka Aries.
Uyibhudile le
Wait,
way
I'm
le way
saying-
imeqile.
I'm saying
Okay, yes,
the
no,
Aries
Bean.
and the
OB.
thingy, the
OB.
Aries and the Nasty C beef will never be as big. Noba bangaphinda because people generally, I feel like people don't relate to their music.
But that's part of what we were talking about. That's part of what Usmash is
The
saying.
thing is, this is what I was saying. You can't say abantu bayamthanda uSmash because umde mna ndimfutshane, you were born like that, I'm born like
You
this.
see?
That's what it meant. AKA
But
was
the fact of the
doing-
matter is, uyathandwa. Ha, that's- and that's what we were
AKA was
saying.
doing umculo wakhe.
Andiphikisi lo part
AKA
nam.
was doing umculo wakhe.
But andiphikisi
AKA was
nam
doing
lo part.
umculo wakhe o different ku Casper.
Aha.
Abafani.
Yes,
Yeah.
but their
But-
style, yes. Andiphikisi lo part. I didn't say
okay,
that.
let me explain it like
love
this.
yabo was like chiefs and parades.
Exactly.
We
Yeah,
we
I
choose.
agree with
the
that.
whole country decide we
I
choose
agree.
this.
Samba nalo.
Soweto Derby.
Kucishe
Ugcwala
uFlapper
Soweto Derby.
bekhona and the hip hop moaned for Flapper, but whatever it is,
Didn't-
at the peak of hip hop and Casper nondondon, kucishe u-Double HP.
Ha.
Matter.
Kucishe ilegend upro.
It didn't matter.
It didn't matter, yeah, real. And
It didn't
pickies.
matter.
And the pickies was all Londo.
So kanti yonke le 30 minutes.
Kaizer Chiefs, Soweto Derby. It made sense.
manfake isikhongwane sokugqibela on the nail. Yeyiphi artist yakhe yathi ibhubhile to perform in a big show in South Africa? Awukho. Ubhukishwe ungekho, uperforme ungekho. Ayikho. It's only AKA.
Ne?
iJoburg Day AKA wabhukishwa, iband yakhe yahamba yayoperforma pha yadlala ingoma zakhe in his absence. People were happy for that. You
Like
can
that,
Google it.
doing it in memory.
You can Google it. Doing it in
Le
memory.
license on
Doing it in
947.
memory.
Yeah,
947.
ngiyabona.
Yabona, even
Now,
nakacishe
now.
unanzika.
Casper.
That's what I'm saying.
Hi, but
This
look,
way-
the guy solidified himself even with the performance on that thing. Guy, you know, Beyonce no Ban. What do they call it? Global Citizen.
Global Citizen. Those guys were out of this world. Remember, the thing is, the way they love their craft was too much.
Yeah.
That is what we loved about them.
And the
Casper
And the pickies no part.
gives you meat of what he does, aka gives you meat of what he does. The drama, the beef, you feel like these are real celebrities.
Kwaba
You feel
kwisplit
like a Tupac and
semabala
a
noise,
Biggie moment.
kwaba kwisplit
Dancing.
se-ambitious, kwaba
Kwaba-
kwi-split
Yala nto-
sika-Ricky no
Family tree.
Tumi no Rizzy.
I stand to be corrected. I stand to be corrected. Ne? My own analysis, uRicky wakhweleta wazibulala ebezibona bangaba he will never be bigger than them. That's my analysis.
Yo, that's a very huge one. Yo,
Really,
the views
really,
expressed
really,
on this
really. Yes,
But not the
guest,
most.
yes. Like, think about it. uRicky akhona angayenzanga, Cotton Fest, this and that, waboycott
And he was
awards.
big in his own right.
Waboycott awards, watin. And then the next thing, when I die, I multiply. That was the only way. He was never going to be bigger than the two.
So now
So Uteni.
yeyiphi ingoma ye-hip hop ngoku?
wazibulala.
Oh, what's Bulala uRicky lo?
Moving right along.
Because ngoba nesikhwele.
Moving right along.
Ngayibona na elo hloba, hey, this guy, he never.
Protect Mbexeshi
He
Mqube.
never.
Qhubekeka.
Protect himself ngaphambili.
Protect.
There's no need for protection, guys.
Protect him che.
There's no need for protection.
I think for the I wanted to close this off with asking about the album, but I can't remember when.
Lil Wayne.
Iyabonakala uba do we still have
Yeah.
do you think we can
Yeah, we can stretch it for the next 10 minutes.
Okay. Do you think you can finish it up with the next 10 minutes? Your thoughts on the
album.
Yeah.
Which one?
Hey.
Which album?
I wanted to ask, okay, now I want to ask you, Lewayne, do you think as an artist you can reach a peak yakho and then do you think there's anything Lil Wayne can do now to we respect to Lil Wayne because of nostalgia? Yabo? Do you think there's anything he can do that can bring back that feeling that we had when we were listening to him back then?
I think the first thing, it should never be to pursue that. But I think into eyenza ba sibe ne sense of nostalgia. Ilando ba umuntu aphinda akhuphe something and then we compare it to the rest of his catalog and it doesn't stack up to it. And I think that's what is happening right now because people look at Carter 5 and they're like, no one let go boy kopa lopra. Yabo.
Carter 5 was better than Carter 6.
Yeah, way better. So,
but mnandithi Carter 4 or yena wam personal.
The commercial value, man, of Carter 6.
exactly.
It does not have. It's like there was no budget to do the album.
To such a point that I remember I came through a TikTok Yomnyumchita who's basically remaking these songs as Lil Wayne. Coming to a point where Ingati production was not on point. I said to it's awful. Any producer that can make Lil Wayne sound bad. He slapped on a new beat on one of the songs. And for me, it sounded good.
My thing with Lewe Brane, we listened to Jay-Z. Jay-Z was there with Lil Wayne, they had their thing, Yabo, they reconciled, whatever. We can listen to Jay-Z, last project like Jay-Z, which is 0444. Yabo Nagalbao. I'm at this stage in my life. You can see if maturity or growth, whatever. Yabo Nagal. Kendrick, for example, you can Mr. Morale before we get GNX again, but to Mr. Morale was because in total 5 years, like you can see, bana, this is the Ambelenda figured up in terms of younger way. You can see that with like a lot of people about Papezu, yabo. You see wave it thought process yabo, yabo. You see how they think and. With this album, Lil Wayne, it falls as if you benefited kakhulu with being a drug addict.
Okay.
To a point that akaiboni in the climate, we do not think, we do not, we don't, as Marcel was as that ways So now, okay, so pussy money weed way most of it items, most of his new way but wayekwazi uphoka politically wayekwazi njengo Eminem elahlebola khona ingathi use stuck la bubble yalando. They don't want to explore outside and come back and give us a project ezoba compelling ngelo hlobo yabo. Le album ingathi kuthathwe ingoma ngakwazanga zifaka ku mixtape
and then someone said that as well.
Zawufakwa kwathiwa kukhupha Carter 6.
He's not topical at all.
Yeah,
theme all over the place. Digwe yabona andiqhubanga la album digwe ilanda ukhele elephant
ingathi ingoma enye one endelena
ngemlo besithi
okay when ikona nenye ithetha the same thing nayo apha ku TikTok.
The only song I listen to ndayithanda mapha is the last song, Written History.
Okay, rating iyaphela ixesha. Rating out of 10
of that album. 2.
That's terrible.
Whoa.
Remember when we rate Lil Wayne. We rate Lil Wayne.
Carter 5 masungulona beno Shiwil
Ngikhatha follow.
Carrefour? You are then. Carrefour is the best.
Le nditshoyo.
Why?
Hayi ukhetha for kaloku.
Commercial.
Yo, it was commercially viable.
There was a
It
song
was-
that I never listened
Yo,
to ngela xesha
President
ka-Tech9.
Carter and Up.
Pha?
Boah.
Liza.
Yo.
How to love.
Plan,
Upha.
plan,
Boah. Yeah,
Oh, love me, Upa. Plan
What?
blowing. 6
Follow
foot,
love,
7 foot.
6 foot now,
7 foot.
Upha.
Yeah.
Yo.
So you go from 4. Good track on balls. When you go from Super Saiyan 2, usiya ku Super Saiyan 3,
Yo.
you know about Goku is more powerful.
Yeah, no, sure, no.
But even sometimes when the artists change style, so mculo, ne? As long as growth is there, people adapt. Lil Wayne.
Brawam,
He
Lil
hasn't-
Wayne went through a lot for Ukhatha 5 Mama Kaphumi. We had to wait 5 years. Wakhuphiwe njeya. From there, we had to wait 6 years or 7 years.
Wakhupha le.
Wakhupha le way.
He's declining.
And now look at here.
Also go drop next day. It's like
And now, Lil Wayne, I felt like Lil Wayne there needed the direction too much. Remember the people Ababekona in those albums, like Umzekele Manager Yak, is no longer there. Or Cortez Bryant, no longer there.
Kinqando.
The relationship ended. Galo.
Akamel Wayne.
So, okokuqala kwa image ka Lil Wayne. Remember what sells in the entertainment industry is image. The image ka Lil Wayne man is so fucked up. Ngathi liphara apha emzantsi liphara. Ngathi liphara into nedress ngathi
Lilo nje.
idress ngathi zawuqhawuka kumbona.
But Lilo. Lilo like liparele mali xa ngoku because of into beyenza before that. Otherwise unezimbo zephara ubusiness drugs ngenxa yephara.
6 foot, 7
Elenyayo.
foot, nightmares of the bottom, she will, how to hate. This was the album.
That was the album.
John is even
Yeah.
here. Yo,
Even the producers ezazipha.
Mira is here.
Yabona kule?
Yo.
Yabona kule?
Yeah.
My producers lapha zitemtem kwanzo.
Even by features man.
I like the view.
Drake, Nicki Minaj is not there.
If
It's good, is ulapa. Yo,
I'm as real as they come. I follow the rules.
Yeah.
I'm still in the hood, but I probably should move. Made enough money. I'm
Yeah.
trying to deal.
no, I should not. You cut a phone,
So hayi.
I should
Akekho relevant the problem Lil Wayne, akekho relevant. Yabona when you are relevant, you have places where you test your music.
But that's why we need to give props to Drake.
Hayi njalo.
Staying relevant for so long.
Injalo ya.
And Drake will still feel like he's not peaked.
And broke each and every record that ever
Funding.
existed.
Kushota A1 ngukacisha Michael Jackson.
Hayi Drake Bra has
Akakamreach Michael.
He's above.
He's above.
Yeah.
Benifeka kushota ingoma eyi-1.
No, he's got
Unique.
diamonds as 10. Are you artist in diamonds as 10?
Bah.
You can check RIAA now. He's at the top. That's why I was saying Kendrick is wasting his time now.
Yeah.
Closing remarks. In 1 hour, 20 minutes.
10
OP masiqala ngawo.
RIA Diamond certifications, the most of any artist ever.
Drake ever. When
Yeah.
a Taylor Swift, when a band, when a
Every
Beatles, when a
most
band.
top 10 singles, most 40 singles, most charted songs. Yeah.
Nengoma ezininzi
Zonke
nengoma
ku-Billboard
ezininzi
200.
ingoma ezininzi jonga uDrake uko 200 bonke ba less than 100
Yeah.
uko 200 bonke ba less than 100 so how do you compete with someone like that
And ukompita ne pop stars or Taylor Swift aba
I think man uDrake
yeah, Post Malone
Like a retiree
uDrake. Maka ndinidi album. Abuye ngale nje imfutshane.
which one
Kendrick.
And bawona nje athi album akabuye.
Mna engasanga
Yabona,
Exactly.
Yabona.
But ngasanga yenzeli uKendrick as a response.
Enze-
But just give
Ayenze.
us a good album.
Enze-
And then athi hayi ke.
Time stamping Drake.
Yeah.
My question uKendrick ku Gen X ucompete no Drake or out of form yabona la way some sexy song for you Drake out of form
but
uyamsokolisa.
Still.
Yo,
Still.
uyamsokolisa. Uyamsokolisa.
Sexy.
Sokolisa ngumuntu out of form. Now, i-album kaDrake kwi-Billboard. Zivele ziphinde zibuye zonke zilandelelane zibe lapha nazo ziphinde zichart.
abantu kaloku they were influenced. Mna ndothuka kwibeef into yobana uKendrick uxokile ngoba uDrake nomntana na-11.
Still
Abantu
people don't
bayikhathalela
care.
loo nto.
Don't care.
Kodwa lo ungunantsika
Kaloku yatrenye i-commentator
Ayiplanned
yathi uba
kaloku.
kuthiwa ntoni kane the standards change when it comes to judging uKendrick. Uzawutshintsha if i-criteria ibikade sithi uba uxokile uDrake utheni exoka nje,
and
but when it
i-reality-
comes to uKendrick uzawuthiwa he was artistic about it.
And the reality of the matter, kula beef yabo, I don't want to lie. That's why I say it's over. Now, uyabona Sony Universal winner, ne? uDrake had the contracts with all these 3 companies. Yebo? So, yenza kanjani nto ngaba xa uDrake ekhuphe i-album yakhe yokugqibela nabo bathathe omnye umuntu
And then-
bamenze iplan.
yeah.
They knew that Drake was not going to renew the contract.
Yeah, that's one of the theories.
Lucian Grange knew that Drake is going.
And apparently he's going up against them.
He knew that
kaloku
Drake is
le
going.
lawsuit.
So
Developer la lawsuit lelo uthiwa masithathe serious because is president ngoku.
So
Izawutshintsha izinto.
yes, because now remember, now Kendrick. Remember Kendrick is with Kendrick Interscope, that's Republic, that's Universal. Drake went, remember OVO was signed Kuwena. And then Santa Ana, that's Sony. Pinde jiggy publishing yayo izahambe end up happy.
Universal.
But the reality of the matter was that Drake is bigger than the industry. Ilento bazama uyistop.
Yeah.
Yakhona Michael Jackson.
That's
Kwenzeka
what,
same thing.
exactly.
When you are bigger, no one can tell you nothing.
I wanted to ask with what thoughts on J. Cole. What do we in terms of top 5?
Top 5.
Yeah. In terms of them, kaloku ibi big 3. Number 3.
Who's number 1?
I feel as if, as much as like kuzawufuneka berate, but these, like they have 3 different styles. Bobatatu. I wouldn't compare Drake to Kendrick. I wouldn't compare Kendrick to Drake and J. Cole. The closest ebenothi mhlawumbe yabasondeza J. Cole no Kendrick, but still they are walking different landuk. In terms of the industry, nobukhulu babo right babe big 3, but not necessarily having
big 3
I still put and some back.
But the reality of the matter is that now Londo leyo yenzekile and bekumele ba sifakele i-binoculars. Kendrick was never going to have ingoma bigger than Drake without Drake.
Without
Drake.
He would have never had this moment if Drake never entertained this whole thing. He would have never had it.
It was either he gets a feature or he does this.
Okay. Out of these 3, who raps better? Out of these 3.
Who raps better?
Yeah.
It depends on
I prefer J. Cole.
To
preference.
Subject, content, topic. So it would be. Or who raps better? Who
raps better?
Talking about his pen and all these things.
Your penmanship, wordsmithy.
Yeah.
That's for me.
Punchlines, similes, metaphors.
For me, J. Cole.
I can say good big 3.
Yeah, he is.
Whatever happened with the beef now, it's still
it
there.
shows peace.
They still
I
do
wish
not
that
rap
Drake
at that level.
Shows peace.
We are rapper. Kendrick, you are rapper, blah, blah, blah.
Nah, but you.
How many people would sit down and listen to Kendrick?
Bro, I'm the team. I still wish they could have a go, man.
Kendrick Landuk.
Like Malay sit wrong. le kuhletshwe
Yes.
ka Tory Lanez no Jonah Lucas kaske bebona la go nje
And the beautiful thing
it was
about
not
it,
personal, just rapping.
it was not going to be personal because this one it became personal. Because I can't remember J. Cole.
Yeah.
I can't remember shenanigans and no pedophile bezabtsala ngolando go J. Cole. It was going to be purely raps.
umculo wakho yandozelisa.
Bezazantu ba you don't sell more than me numbers and don't
Yeah.
but then it would have to get down to
And then
rapping.
and then both of us we don't sell more than the other guy.
Yeah.
More than the other guy. The guy is bigger than the industry.
OP closing masivana.
What are my closing words? Anvum. You know, I was actually googling ngonithethayo benicalculate uba ndandangaphi ngoyayiqala yonke le way.
That's why I'm gonna context the shit.
Some other things you have to be
I
there.
was in primary. So
Yabona
it's just in
u-
hindsight based on
Yabona
enjoyment
u-
at the time who I was enjoying more. So
Yabona Demand was forced to have both of them. Alcohol and beverage company. There is cruise.
Yeah.
Ne?
Kaloku wayigeza nangaloo nto
There is
uCasper
Biliato,
esithi
there
uba
is Biliato.
mna ndiqale ndayifumana i-endorsement ye-Ciroc before you.
But AKA at first he had what do you call that? He had a
Absolute vodka.
oh. He had a goose. Is it Grey Goose?
Oh, Grey Goose, ne? I didn't know if they had a partnership. Qala ndiqala umva nje nasezingomeni zakhe.
He had that before.
Yeah.
Okay, closing Toban.
Nah, I don't know. Buy in, subscribe, like, share. Yeah, more than anything, go serve your king.
Closing.
Book us if you want to want to start your own podcast. Come through at the Block Studios. We're probably the most affordable podcasting studio Mdantsane. Asikose town, asikose Beria, asikose Gunubi, Sisem Mdantsane. Please.
That sounds like yeah.
It sounded like anything. We're at the heart of Mdantsane. So Mdantsane, stand up and let's make things happen. Let's tell our own stories from our own perspective. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Closing is nothing much for me. It's the same things. I'm just being away, enjoying traveling. So yeah.
Yeah.
Month end, I'm gone. I'm going to Cape Town.
Omnye Namibia, omnye Cape Town.
See, now.
I told you, Mos. I do my all expenses paid. I'm going to Cape Town.
As fuck, what in?
Hayi.
Bobina as fuck, abasiblank.
Yeah,
Bona
man.
abantu besipha kamnandi
I
ngabo.
wanna thank you everyone, man, for coming through and doing this. Number one, number two, ndisaxingile kulo mcimbi ye-King. Obi ingathi uthi makuyiwe town yena akafuni kuyiwe King.
Ngoku nibanayo ba inamba ziyahlangana ngoni ithetha into ezininzi.
Obi uthetha ngento zokuba makuyiwe town.
Yabona uba u-5,000 kufutshane.
Sikufondo.
Niyajika
Shota
ngo.
800 and something.
We
ayenzi sense King.
Kuba.
It's a moment.
Bendikucacisele.
It's a moment.
Ah,
To go
cause
to King-
moments
To
up.
go to King, it's a moment.
Cause moments.
Njengoba-
Saye King
okanye ke
10K.
ithani ke
10K.
benzawutsho namba
King, kaloku
makiwe
mayithathe.
town and then ke ngoku
Energy for
10K
energy.
kuyiwe ngokwela nto
Subscriptions for
ke.
walking.
Mna benisithi ke mna okanye ke xa sifikile ku 5K sibethi imali sihambe as a podcast sekulaa ndawo ne-ice bath umuntu ahlala 5 minutes yakhe.
Ice bath.
Siyo-unlocka. Siyo-unlocka i-subscriptions.
Two things, either we go to King ngenyawo or siyapha ku-ice bath.
Yes.
Abantu
I think
ke
the ice
mabavote
bath
ke in the comment section below.
Sekumnyama lo ngoku bazobona nje bazofika bawuthi ubobona kumnyama
Ncima yonke loo nto. Hayi.
zikhunyiwe ezi.
Kodwa
So,
zingandibuki
okhomentileyo
reference.
samazi bawubukele till the
Uyifakele le
end.
ndawo, le part
Ephi?
ndandina-11 kwakuphuma umculo so ndi-emotional but still andivumi.
Yeah, so yeah, we are close to the 10th episode ka season 3 ngoku. I wanted to close it up and then just dismantle yonke lento yo season 1, season 2, season 3 when we come back for Indoya Corner, it's just a continuation now. Because season 1, because episode don't. Even J show proper show with structure, with ads, with don't.
Yeah, by the way, if you are looking to put something up, get in touch with us.
On all our social media platforms, Labtronic Solutions. Email us at admin@labtronic.com.
Yeah, so if you want a brain placement and all that stuff, get in touch. We'll
Go
put your
subscribe
brand
to
out there.
Big Beat Magazine.
Yeah, 10 Zabuyi Awards. Zabuyi Awards.
No, man.
Movie hours.
That phase is over.
Never.
The one thing that would come back will be the podcast, but not now, man.
Tourism podcast.
Not now.
He is the host of the tourism podcast.
I must finish my studies.
Yeah, ne?
He's also a husband. He's also a father.
A proud one. A proud one.
Yeah.
Proud
So
father.
if you show up every day, you never
Never
miss a lucky day. We are out.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Electronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Electronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.